Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about how to create WhatsApp template and also how to use custom contact property variables with it. So come to the third option at the left side, campaigns, and select a campaign category type. I will choose this campaign for now, and at the top you can see edit campaign button. Click on it. Customer details form. Currently we are at basic details, so we need to go to customer details form. In the question type you can see send message. Drag and drop over here. Now what you can see is the default template that we have created, but you can definitely edit it and make it as per your requirements. So I have created this template before, so I've just copy pasted it. So it says, as per our conversation, we recommend you a perfect venue and at. So some of the details which where it says very personal details. So there you can use the custom contact property variables. So what are variables? Custom contact property. Come to contact section, the second option at the left side. Now click on custom contact properties. Over here you can see edit contact properties, but we just need to pick these city and venue CCP variables. So I will pick this venue variable and come to my template. All you need to do is create this two curly braces, and also if you want to add another one like city, copy these, double click on it and just copy it, and create this two curly double curly braces and add these and just save this. So submit and close. Now what another step, I will show you how it looks into the dialer. So let's say I'm logged in dialer, and I will look for the campaign which I have made changes into. So we'll click on search and start calling. So over here in yes connected, if I click on send message button, it will show me a preview message. So it will say the CCP properties that we added. So we recommend you a perfect venue, the venue name at Jaipur. Thanks for getting in touch and everything. So as you click on send, it will redirect you to a page of WhatsApp. You can click on continue to chat. And if you want to send message from WhatsApp, then you can download either WhatsApp or you use WhatsApp web. So this is how you can basically create template and send it over to WhatsApp. Thank you.